morning.
Good morning.
So it is almost 10 o'clock. How'd you sleep?
Great until morning.
Yeah, the people next door to us started arguing really loud. So after about, I don't know. Yeah, I got tired of it and got up and beat on the wall. They shut up. Yeah. I mean, this poor guy, what was his name?
Steve.
Poor Steve. I don't know what Steve did, but man.
She was mad.
She didn't stop. She was ruthless. But we're going to get us some breakfast.
Yeah, it's pretty out here today.
Yeah, it's not quite as chilly as yesterday.
No.
But still kind of cool, huh?
Yeah, it's chilly.
And this is what, Christmas Eve Eve?
Christmas Eve Eve.
Christmas Eve Eve. So we're walking back to see where the gondola is going to be, right here between Art of Animation and Pop Century. They're putting a gondola station. I think this is called the Generational Gap Bridge. Is that right?
Sounds good to me.
If not, it's a good name. So look, here it is right here. So let's get a little closer.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the gondola station. It goes from here all the way to other resorts and all the other parks too.
Yeah, Hollywood Studios, Epcot. It's really, really cool looking. You can see all the little, where they're going to come in and people get on and then it goes back out again. It's really, really neat.
And to me, the building kind of looks like a wave.
It's going to be super cool.
So what you see, babe?
It's the Disney Skyliner. It shows, look how cute the carts are. Mickey, Minnie, Beauty and the Beast, Haunted Mansion, and Goofy.
Look, and this one kind of gives you.
Yeah, it tells where they're going to go.
It tells you what it's going to look like here. Like if you're coming down, that's Art of Animation,
yeah.
and then Pop Century.
And this, yeah, it shows where it all goes. It's going to go to Caribbean Beach. And then you get an option to go to Disney Hollywood Studios. And then the Riviera Resort. And then it goes to Epcot.
And the Riviera is a new DVC resort.
Look, it looks like French fries.
French fries.
Looks like a McDonald's French fries in the pool.
Oh, in the pool. Oh, lit up the grass. Yeah, it does.
This is like,
It does look like French fries.
this is so cute over here.
So our first time at Art of Animation.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah, we've never been here before,
Everything, all the little animals are 3D off the buildings,
And there's a plane drawing in the sky.
It's a plane drawing.
Yeah, look, he's drawing some love, it looks like.
Love, peace, and joy, right?
All right.
Walking over to
The Lion King.
the Lion King. But if you look in the sky above us,
There it is. It was love.
all you need is love. All you need is love.
You'll end up on the street.
All you need is love.
Love. Love is just a game.
I was.
It's music.
We are no longer in. We're in the 60s version of the Lion King.
You see him behind us?
There he
There
is.
he is. This is too cool. Loving it. Look at the giraffes on the building.
You see the giraffe, Gavin?
I love giraffes.
They're looking at me.
They are. They look like they want to eat you.
Hakuna Matata. Got a shirt on.
I do have a shirt, except mine doesn't say Hakuna
Hakuna Tabata.
Tabata.
It means go faster.
Yep. Means go faster. So Art of Animation has one of your favorite things.
Gelato. It's so pretty. Oh, look, they have the Christmas. I bet this is like some kind of peppermint.
Yep, peppermint gelato.
Candy cane. Oh, I see. Candy cane, cookies and cream. Ooh, this is Nutella. What?
I don't know if all the resorts do this, but we noticed that Pop Century and Art of Animation have wreath decorating contest.
Yeah. It's super cute. Look at that. That's the one for Small World. Let's see. You can see it. Oh.
They got Wreck-It Ralph or Ralph Breaks the Internet there.
You're my hero.
Small World.
Small World.
That's just
yeah, it just looks
employee.
like cast members, yeah.
Toy Story with towels. And traditional with mini ears.
That's so cute. All right, so now we're in Radiator Springs,
Yep.
Cars Land. We just took a picture with Doc.
We're in California Adventure right now. No, not quite. This is Walt Disney World's version of Cars Land.
Across the country.
Super cute. They got the Cozy Cone Motel. They got Luigi's and Tow-Mater. So stinking cute.
Rusty's.
Show you a little bit.
And look at that giant car. Tap.
Here's the Cozy Cone Motel.
Yeah, we might try to see if they got any reservations for tonight. We can just stay here at the Cozy
Stay
Cone.
here. It's 100% refrigerated air.
I like some refrigerated air. I hope they have a ceiling fan.
So cute. Everything is so detailed.
Look, it's our
Across
favorite
the
thing in the
way
world,
here.
tires.
Tires! It's a tower of tires. Luigi's. Look how cute they are. They're ready to put my tires on.
Take a selfie.
Oh, they even got a tire sale going on. What? They got some Lightyear tires instead of Goodyear.
So what's that, Jeep? Is that a Transformer from... No, it's not a Transformer?
I didn't think. It's so small.
Oh.
Sure is cute. Though.
What's his name?
Sarge.
That's not Jeep.
Yes, sir.
Yep, that's what that's there for you to sit on.
No, I think you read it wrong.
This is a nice little place, huh, Ash?
I am loving it. It's so super cute. Love
And-
all the details.
We've never stayed here. We actually have reservations to stay here in March with a standard room, but we might go to the front desk and see if we can
Yeah, we're thinking about doing an upgrade.
upgrade and maybe staying
Get a little suite.
here in
Radiator Springs.
Radiator Springs. So yeah, let's just go see.
All right.
We don't have
Check
to.
it
We
out.
can just talk. See how much the difference in price will be too. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money, but
Nah.
all right, this is another little fun thing that we've never experienced before.
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Look at that bird.
Oh, it's a bird.
Look on top of the tree. Come on back a little bit.
Oh, there's a bird on a tree. Let me see if I can get it.
It's a real one. Look how cool. He's just chilling.
Yeah, he's confused.
He don't understand all this construction.
Anyway, before the bird,
Fun fact.
we've never came to Disney that I can ever remember and hearing the name Gavin before.
Nope.
And I promise you, in the last 36 hours, we've heard
The name Gavin at least
6 times. 6 different.
6 different people named Gavin.
That is just the strangest. 6
Got a
different
good name,
kids.
bud.
So anyway,
It was a popular name then.
yeah.
But something that we didn't know, we thought there was a Bugs Life resort here, but there's not.
No,
But there might be because don't know if we
Just missed it?
explored all of it.
May have
Yes.
missed it, huh?
Yeah.